Hey guys, how are you? Andy Suku, founder CEO of Y2K Credit Solutions. It's 1:26 p.m. March 25th. We just did a video of a client. We posted a video of a client with the scores of 785. Fixed the client's credit, debt issues, resolved it. Now the client's credit score is there, 785, as you can see that. Now we're telling the clients what credit cards to apply for. So I wanted you to listen into the call so you can hear exactly what we're talking about. Just give me 1 second. I bring the client back home. We're not going to speak about his personal information, but we'll talk about, you hear the conversation. All right, I'm back. Sorry about that. So we got the first credit card. I want you to apply for a second credit card as well. 1 second. Let me just check something on your credit just to make sure. All right, but congrats on that credit card. Use that for 3 months, and then we're going to apply for a credit line increase. But don't wait. I want you to apply for one more credit card. I want you to have 2 prime credit card. At the end of all this, you're only gonna have 4 credit cards in your wallet. That's all you need, okay? But you go ahead. I'm listening.
Oh no, because I'm part of a union and we have a credit union or something like that. I want to know.
No, I don't want you to go to the credit union yet.
Okay.
I don't want you there yet. 1 second. Let me just check one thing on your credit for you, and then I'll advise you what's the next credit card to apply for.
Okay.
Logging into Score Navigator. You still have the actually, yeah, you still have the Score Navigator active. How do you like Score Navigator?
Oh no, I love it.
It's good, right? It's very detailed, man. And if you're trying to purchase a home, all you have to do is log in to it, go to the budgeting section, and you'll see exactly everything you need to know. And also has a it has the budgeting section, so that's really good in there. Oh man,
wow.
you have a nice credit report. Woo, credit report's clean.
Yeah.
You like those?
I just got something from Blick Fitness. I guess they tried to send me a collection. I was just gonna pay.
No, pay that right away. One, you don't want that on your credit report. 2, you don't want to pay us to resolve that. That's something minor you can do on your own. So pay it before it goes to collection.
They already sent it to somebody called Aldous and Associates.
Yes, Aldos. Yeah, you have 30 days for the report on your credit.
Okay, so I'm gonna just pay.
Yeah, pay it right now, and make sure you get a receipt for your records. Hold that for 7 years, because Aldos does have a tendency of reporting things 6 months later and trying to double dip on collection. We've caught them on multiple occasions on that. So tell them you want to email receipt, and keep that for your records for 7 years. Okay.
Okay, perfect.
All right, great. We have the Discover credit card. The next card I want you to actually, I'm gonna have you apply for 2 cards. The next card you can apply for is the Chase Freedom credit card, because basically you're starting over from scratch now, right? So you're rebuilding the credit the right way. No negative stains on the credit report, no charge off collections, nothing's on this credit report. So you're starting over the right way. You can apply for the Chase Freedom credit card, and then the last card you can apply for is the Apple credit card. The reason why I'm gonna have you apply for the Apple credit card, you're gonna keep that card for all your small transactions, like your daily transactions, your gas, your miscellaneous food, your whatever your Starbucks. I don't know if you drink Starbucks. You're gonna apply but use that card. And the reason why, one, if you ever forget your wallet, everybody accepts Apple Pay. You're not using a debit card no more. You're going to be using a credit card, so you're gaining points. So, if you leave your wallet home, it's fine. I always leave my house without my wallet. Somehow I forget it, so I always have Apple Pay on me. 2, you're going to have a card for your daily nonsense spending. And your big transactions, if you're going to go on vacation, the Chase and the Discover is what you're going to use for your big transactions. Now, if you have your wallet on you, you can use your Chase or your Discover, because the point system is amazing as well, the reward points. You can use them, but in case you forget your wallet at home, you have a Apple Pay to pay for your transactions. You're not, on a date, hey, I don't have my wallet, and oh man, now this girl doesn't think you got bad credit, but really don't have bad credit. But listen, so congrats on that card. Do the Chase Freedom card as well. Do that on your computer. Do not do it on a. The reason why I tell clients don't do anything on a cell phone is because, just like me, I have big thumbs. I scroll fast, I miss things, type stuff and I type the wrong numbers, and you can get denied for something minuscule.
Yeah.
You understand? That's why I say do everything on a laptop. So there's a big screen in front of you. You see in every screen that you're clicking on. Make sure you put the employment as employed. Obviously, you are employed, and and your income, obviously.
Okay.
Apply for those 2 cards. Get back to me when you get a chance on the status of those. Once you're done with that, I'll put you back on a calendar for another call. We're gonna have a call in 3 months because we're basically done with the file. I'm gonna put you on a calendar for 3 months just to check in with you to see where you are, and then I'm gonna tell you what to do after that. From there, I'll release the file back to you, and I'll just release you back to yourself, and you'll be good to go.
You.
All right, now Score Navigator. I see. Go ahead. What did you say?
No, I said I appreciate you so much, man.
Man, I appreciate you giving us the opportunity to work on your file. I appreciate all your referrals. Appreciate it, man. And I'm glad that we're transparent. What we said we were gonna do is what we did, and we delivered, for you, as always.
I got another guy coming right to you. One of my coworkers. I told him about you, and he was like, "Oh yeah, I'm about to give him a call. He's gonna call you on Thursday, but I guess he has stuff going on." But
Gotcha.
he's coming to you too.
I appreciate that. As you can see, we deliver. We're transparent, and everything we say we're gonna do, we do. So I appreciate it.
I told him that you're the only legit one. I was like, all of them other companies, nah. This is we found like a diamond in the rough.
Appreciate that. I appreciate that. What's next? What are we doing next? We getting into a house? What are we doing next?
Well, first I got to get a decent car for my family. Like driving these used cars, they start turning into a money pit. So.
Well, let me ask something. What kind of car do you have now? I'll give you some advice on that for you now. I can answer that. Tell you what to do. What kind of car do you have now?
Well, I had a 2000 Tahoe, but that one recently just broke down. So now I'm kind of busting and training it until I get a new one because I don't want to spend on. I knew that my credit was going to be good, so I didn't want to spend on like another hoopty or something like that.
What are you looking to buy?
Something decent, probably like we want something that's a little cheap, but it's still a nice looking car and stuff. So we were looking at like the Durangos, like the Dodges, something like that.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. First off, the used car market is still a little high, right?
Mm-hmm.
But I will still tell you to look into like another Tahoe, something decent, right? But I'll tell you why. You may look at it affordability. You may buy something nice looking, but if it doesn't have warranty, like a CPO warranty, you're gonna put yourself in another ditch with fixing things when they break. All right. So here's what I would tell you to do. I would tell you to look at like something a little more nicer, a little more luxurious. You deserve it, right? Like a Tahoe or an Escalade, a pre-owned one. Look for one that came off of a lease from a dealership.
Like what year? What year?
Well, leases are 3 years, right? So I would say we're in 24, so 21, late 2020.
Okay.
A Tahoe, Escalade, something like that caliber. I guess you're looking for a 7-seater because it sounds like you're coming from a 7-seater.
Yeah.
All right, so look for that online, right? Look at the pre-owned CPO warranty. Trust me, you might spend maybe a little $5,000 over your budget, but in the long run, you'll save that $5,000 because you won't be running to the dealership or the mechanic to fix things every single day.
Mm-hmm.
Right? And these mechanics are fly by night. They'll rip you off like I don't know. I can't tell you an honest mechanic that I know in New York.
Yeah.
I don't know an honest mechanic. They're all full of shit. You know what I'm saying? They're all scammers. And if you're not there to sit there and babysit them to see what they're doing, they'll run you dry,
Yeah, they got their feet up telling you that it's something crazy that they got to fix so they can get more money.
Exactly. The best mechanic I would tell you is the dealership that comes with CPO. You're not paying anything. They got to cover all the charges for the next 3 years. So, look for a CPO car. CPO means certified pre-owned. It comes with warranty from the dealership and it comes off of a lease.
Okay.
Now,
and what would like the monthly payments or something like around that price?
Well, I don't know what the prices go for now with those cars, but let me do a quick search here real quick. Let me go to carguru.com, see what a car like that goes for. All right, let me see. Used, certified pre-owned. Go to CarGuru anytime you want to. That's a good site. That's a reliable source.
Okay.
Escalade. What's your zip code?
11412.
What zip code is that? Where's that?
St. Albans.
All right, check this out. They have a 2021 Escalade. This is just the premium model, 2000, the newer design as well. They have that going for 65. They have a 2020 going for 49,000. Right? They have a 23. Well, that's a little over your budget. That's too much. So, listen, 2020s are good. I had one of those before. You get that for 49,000. Now you take your trade in with your Tahoe that you have. You trade that in. Even if they give you $1,000 or $2,000 for the car, take that, right? Now, what you're going to do is once you find a truck that you want, the car you want, you negotiate the price and all this good stuff, you do your trade-in. Tell them you want the buyer's agreement. And you're going to take that buyer's agreement. Tell them you want the buyer's agreements with a tax, title, everything out the door. You're going to take that buyer's agreement, then you're going to go to your credit union.
Okay, so it's buyer's agreement with
Tax, title, DMV fee, all that jazz, Okay. That's normal transaction. You're gonna, and then also they try to charge you a doc fee or whatever, a document fee for like $800. You can negotiate that fee as well, just so you know.
Okay.
Then you're gonna take that buyer's agreement. You're gonna go to your credit union. You're gonna apply for the amount of the loan. Because the credit union is gonna give you a better rate.
Yeah, because somebody was telling me that at my job, because we local 30, and it was like the interest rate was crazy low. And stuff
Yes,
like that.
correct.
That was originally my plan.
Two things you're gaining from that. One, you're buying a newer car. You're getting warranty. You have a CPO, something you like. Two, you're going to get a better rate. Three, you're not putting money out of your pocket because the credit is going to cut for the check for the whole payment. If you go to the dealership, they're going to say, you got to put $5,000 down. You'll get 100% of the check from the dealership. I mean, from the credit union. Sorry, I meant to say credit union.
Oh, wow. I didn't know that. I thought I would have to put like a decent down payment.
Not with a credit union. Not with your bank. Why do you think you're talking to Y2K, man? I'm telling. And this is not even a hack. Everyone likes to use the word, I got a hack for you, a hack for you. That's just you saving money and knowing how to use the banks. That's all I'm telling you what to do.
Oh, yeah, that's beautiful. I'm glad you told me that.
Yeah, just do that. So, you'll get a better rate. You'll get something nicer that you like. You have warranty. You're not coming out of your pocket any money as a down payment. And there you go.
How long till I'll be able to approve for that? You said like 3 months?
No. Once you get the 2 credit cards that you applied for today, or the 3 credit cards. I think we have 1 already. We need to do 2 more. Once you get those and you can start using them, you can start. So not this month, April, May you can start doing that.
Oh, beautiful.
But now what you should do though is start spending the time to looking at the cars and going to check them out. So when you ready to make a decision. And don't go to these rinky dinky dealerships on like Jamaica Avenue, and like don't get involved with those. Those are scams.
And all of that.
Yeah, no. Go to the like Cadillac dealership. You know what I'm saying? Go to a Tahoe dealership if they're all the same thing. Go to the dealership of the manufacturer. That's what I'm trying to say.
Gotcha.
Go to the McLaren dealership,
Okay.
No, don't go to the McLaren dealership. You'll go broke.
Yeah, man, you giving me all the gems right now. I really appreciate it.
No, go to one of those dealerships. So you're getting a good deal right off the rip. Okay. Even look into the Range Rover. You might like the Range.
Hey, if I can get it to the Range Rover, you'll probably
Yeah, I just got rid of my Range. I might get the new one, but I actually like the new Escalade, but I'm waiting. I'm not in a rush for it right now.
Oh, yeah, those are big.
Yeah, but I want the supercharged one, so it's like $150. But we'll see. But follow those steps I gave you, and then from there, you're good to go, man. And now you have a good balance of credit cards, auto loan on your credit report. Next thing is a mortgage.
Oh, yeah, that's the ultimate goal right there.
That could start in June. We could start that process.
Oh, don't tell me that.
Man, listen, our goal is to make your dreams a reality, Gene. That's what we're doing.
Oh, no, you already proved that to me, man. It's already started.
Appreciate that.
I haven't been in this position in a long time.
Appreciate that, man. I'm glad we were able to help you and you're there where you're going. Your family's going to be happy. All right, let me run. Those are the gems. Let me know about the 2 credit cards and we'll talk soon. I'll talk to you about another hour.
Okay.
All right, have a great day. There you go. Live testimonial of clients talking about what we do for our clients and gems we gave them. And that's sound advice we give it up, not no horseshit. All right, guys. If you have any questions, drop a comment. If you have a situation you need to resolve, schedule a consultation. Talk to you soon. Have a good day.